from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. Cause nobody gets, nobody gets, nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's gonna echo because I'm standing in my new house. Yeah, I know this is a big surprise. I did not share this up until this point, and the reason why I'm sharing it now is because now I can come in and we're gonna be doing, this house needs work, and I'm gonna explain why I'm moving, how this happened, because I know there's gonna be a lot of questions. I'll do this all in this video. I'm not gonna tease a bunch of stuff. That's why I didn't tease leading up to this. But I'm gonna do an empty house tour to show you guys. Again, there's still lots of stuff, well, not a lot of stuff. There's stuff in here, and I'm gonna tell you guys as I go through what I'm going to do to it. I'm not moving in right away. My parents and I are gonna be working on this. I would like to move in by the twins' first birthday, but that's in 6 weeks. And I don't know if it's possible. that might be wishful thinking. But surprise, yes, I can't believe it. This happened pretty quickly in my opinion. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the house, and I'm gonna answer questions at the end of this video just because I know there's gonna be questions. Okay, so when you open the front door, this is what you see. This is a wood wall, I guess. I did pull some boards down. There's the normal wall behind it, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna, well, I don't know if my dad or maybe Tyler will help. We'll pull all this down and expose the wall. I do have an idea for this wall. I would like to do a herringbone pattern. I'm not very handy, so this is gonna be more of my parents and hopefully Tyler helping. But these are 2 bedrooms right here. They pulled the carpet up, so we have to put carpet in these rooms. This room, this is the size of this closet over here. So it's not a bad size closet. And then this closet in this room is a lot bigger. So I'm not sure which one how I'll put the kids in these rooms, but the twins will have a room and then Aniston will have a room. These all will be painted. I know Aniston wants purple, but I'm probably gonna leave the twins a gray color. This gray right here, sorry it won't focus. This gray right here, it's a little purple for me. I do have some paint samples, but painting will be the easiest part of the house. And then this is the guest bathroom. It's not huge. There's, again, still stuff. It's not huge, but I mean, it's a guest bathroom. There's like random stuff in here. Hi. I will say I do love these floors, the color of the floors. They just need to be like cleaned and mopped. So back at the front, when you walk in, the rooms are this way. This is the way to the rest of the house. Okay, so this is the living area. It's actually a pretty big room because the house is not very big. But one of the main projects that I want done is I really wanted built-ins created on this wall right here. And I would like shiplap down the middle. I don't know if that's actually going to happen or not. I'm not sure how much work it's going to be to create the quote built-ins. They're gonna have to not pull the wall out, but build the wall out, I guess. Luckily for me, Tyler was in construction in college, and he has graciously offered to help us get this all ready, and we are going to be working on it along with my parents all week. Okay, this is the kitchen. Definitely needs paint. That's really all that it needs right now. There is a piece of tile that's broken right here that needs to be fixed. I love the big windows. And I actually don't mind this light fixture. It's wood, but I think I want to flip it sideways. I don't know if that's possible or not. But table will go here. These cabinets, I can tell they were white and they were painted gray. I would really like to paint them back to white. I think we're going to be doing that at some point this week. Just trying to get it all ready. This is the first week we're coming in, so we're trying to get everything done, and all the appliances are here and they're new, which I'm very, very thankful for that. I would eventually like to change this, but right now it's not a necessity. It's going to be expensive because some of the stuff that I've looked at is $3,000 to $4,000 for the countertops. So I think just paint and putting these back to white will get this where I want it. And then the laundry room is back here, obviously empty, obviously yellow. It's actually more mustard in real life. It just is pulling yellow for some reason. The master bedroom is right off here. There's no carpet in here or floor either. For some reason, all the rooms were pulled up. But I would like to get this same floor, we do know what floor it is, and have it just continue throughout. It's not a huge room, you guys. It's not huge at all. It looks like there's like a random TV. So this is what it looks like. My idea for this is to paint this up here back to white. I would like a navy accent wall and keep the rest of the walls white. They still need to be painted, of course, because they're a mess. I actually might even want to do that herringbone wall on this too, to help match the front entryway. Sorry, my camera will not stay focused. But I think it might be good, and I want the TV over here. I'm not sure. I think it was over here, obviously, because the mount's there. This is the master bath. It needs a lot of work, obviously. This is the little water closet without a door. This is the vanity. It looks like they distressed it and painted it. We've talked about just putting a whole new vanity in here, because I don't know if we can paint this and get it where it needs to be. I'm not sure. I should have had my dad come here with me so he could talk about this with me. Big mirror, soaking tub. I'm looking forward to having a soaking tub again. I actually really like this in the window. And the shower. So obviously just needs a lot of cleaning and a lot of work. I have tried this shower head. I actually brought Tyler in to my first time coming in here, and that has to be replaced, he said. So that'll be replaced. And this is the closet. This carpet will have to come out or be cleaned. The shelves, I think at one point fell down. Sorry guys, I can't get it to stay focused. The shelves at one point fell down, and here's the other shelving. At least the shelves are still here, but it's actually a nice size closet. It's only got to hold my clothes, so I mean, that's a pretty good size. So in here, I would really like to paint. I don't think I want gray though, because I don't think gray would look the best with these tile, and these are gonna stay just because they're already here and they're in good shape. So I might try to do a color on this wall. If you guys have recommendations for a color you think that would look really good, I would like something muted, nothing crazy, but I thought maybe like a light sage green or something. I don't know. I'm not really good with picking the best paint colors, but I'm not sure what to do with this either. So I don't really know what we're gonna do over here with this. But I mean, the bones are good. It does need a lot of work, but I'm excited about the backyard. The backyard is already fenced, which is awesome. I'm so happy. And the dog, Sealy, can run around, and the kids can run around. This needs a lot of work out here too. I know, but it's right now, I think the inside of the house is more the priority than the outside. Just basically a lot of paint. I do want the built-ins put in already. I don't know how much work it's gonna be. I did explain my idea to my dad and Tyler both, and they are gonna figure out how to make it happen. because after everything is painted, really it's just painting and putting the carpet back in the rooms. That's what mainly has to happen before move-in, and I don't want to have the kids living around like a construction zone pretty much. So I would like that wall to also be done. So if that can be done in 6 weeks, we might move in. But here's the backyard. So it's nice double doors that come out. Obviously there's still tons of stuff. This is the deck. It needs to be restained. I mean, it's not in horrible shape, like wood-wise. I don't know, but it has to be restained. But it is fenced, and it's a nice size yard, y'all. And there's a little tree. I think that's a satsuma tree. I don't know. I think that's what it is. Also, look how big this window is. It's huge. This whole thing is a window. Like, the neighbor's house is right there though, so I'm gonna have to keep curtains up. But this is the house. There is a 2-car garage. It looks like a regular garage. I know right now it's kind of overwhelming because there's still stuff everywhere. But honestly, just paint in there, carpet in the bedrooms or carpet in the kids' rooms, and hardwood in the master. That's really all it needs right now. Hopefully we can get the built-ins done. I think it would just make this room look a little bit better. Just give it something special because it's a very generic house. This whole neighborhood, every house is the exact same. And when you drive by the outside, it's very like cookie cutter. They're all the same. But a plus to this house, I forgot to mention this, is when I leave this subdivision, the twins' daycare is right across the street. So that's a huge help. And I actually know the girl 2 doors down, her twins, she also has boy-girl twins, and they go to the same daycare. So it honestly could not have worked out more perfectly. Yes, we did know the previous owner. That's how we're able to come in right now. The papers aren't being signed till this week, but she bought this house as a single mom, and she has since married and moved out. And so she bought this house on foreclosure a few years ago whenever she got it. So she obviously has done her own personal touches to it. So that's kind of what I'm changing, just trying to make it more my personal touches. Yes, my parents are helping me. This would not be possible without their help. There's no way I could have done this by myself. We sold our house in Iowa, so I had profit from that as well. And my car is now paid off, which helps a lot. So I know there's gonna be a lot of financial questions, but I'm not gonna lie and say I'm doing it on my own. It's just not possible. So yes, I do have help. There is no reason to lie and say I'm not having help. But I'm very thankful my parents are gonna help me. And Tyler working in construction in college, he's like, let me help, let me do what I need to do. So hopefully all of us together can get this done, because I don't graduate for 8 more months. I didn't plan on moving out till I graduated, but this came along and there was no way to say no. It was just perfect and a blessing for our family. And plus, I know my parents they are empty nesters. My sister, she's 30, about to be 31. I'm about to be 29 next month. They probably want their house back. So I think that's why they were they're being very supportive and helping. And 8 months till I graduate. And I think the time that I graduate, it'll be nice to already have a house and have it how I want it, not have to worry about getting a new job, then getting a house and moving. This kind of worked out perfectly. So I'm thankful right now. I know I'm very, very lucky, and I'm just excited to have a house that is ours, and we're gonna make it ours. And it's beautiful as it is. It's a blessing and it's beautiful, and it's the perfect size. It's small, but it's all we need. And the yard's fenced in for the puppy. Well, for Celie, she's not a puppy anymore. But I'm excited. I'm gonna bring you guys along on the whole journey of making this our home and decorating and doing the painting and stuff. So I actually have samples in the car. I'm gonna go ahead and put some samples on the wall so I can see what colors I want. So I'm gonna end this video. I wanna say thank you guys so much for coming back to watch this video. I hope you do join me on this house journey. I know it's a huge surprise, but I just wanted to wait until I could come in here and say, this is it, and not tease a bunch of videos. So this is it. And I still can't believe it. I'm just, wow. This is the new house. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.